a PSA to you guys. In this video, I'm using the Warrior palette by Juvias Place, which I did use last week as well, but it was requested to use the palette this time again. And so it's the same palette but a different look, and it came out much better this time. First, we're going to start off with this very pale matte shade in the palette using our E23 brush, and we're just going to apply that. And here I'm showing you the difference between when I put it on one eye compared to the other. It set it very well. With the same brush, I'm going into this light brown shade. I believe it's pronounced Candle, and this is our second transition shade. It's going directly over our first transition shade, and I bring it down the nose as well for a slight nose contour. So for our third transition shade, we're going to go back into the palette for Mino. It's that really dark brown looking matte color from the palette, and we're just going to apply this lightly on the outer corners, dragging it forward, and that's to deepen our half cut crease that we're about to cut. Now with my Tarte Tape Shade Concealer in the color Tan Sand, and with my oval eyeshadow brush, I am placing a generous amount on my eyelid, looking up so I know where to carve out my cut crease. And now I am just carving my cut crease. This is just a half cut crease, by the way. Now with my MAC Prep and Prime Spray, I'm spraying a new oval eyeshadow brush. I'm going into this pure gold shimmery shade in the palette. I believe it is called Idea. And then I'm just using a patting motion onto my half cut crease. So once you've done the cut crease and you applied the shimmer, you're just going to take a fluffy brush and smoke out the outer corner of the cut crease with that dark brown shade and blend in a little bit of black just to really deepen it and smoke it out a lot more, make it dramatic. And now I'm just going to finish the other side of my eye using the exact same steps. And now with this light champagne shimmery color, I believe it's called More Me, I'm just going to highlight the tailbone of my eyebrow. And now I'm just going to remove the tape. I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line with all of our transition shades, the nude shade, the dark brown, and the candle. I went ahead and finished my look off camera since we have completed the eyeshadow look for this video. And now I'm just applying Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wife. So while I do that, I'm going to play Cardi B's Be Careful since her video dropped today.
When loving you's worse, it all stopped so abrupt. You started switching it up. Teach me to be like you so I cannot give a fuck. Free to mess with someone else. I wish these feelings come out.
Lips today, I'm going to be applying NYX's ombre brown lipstick that I picked up from Target. Then over that, I'll be applying Huda Beauty Star Strobe lip gloss. And this is the completed look for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If so, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see more tutorials from me coming soon.
Shit gave you TLC, you wanna creep and shit. Poured out my whole heart to a piece of shit.